Is your garbage disposal giving you trouble? It might be clogged. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some simple, effective steps. First, let's identify the signs. Water backing up into the sink, strange noises, or food waste not draining properly. Sound familiar? Now onto the fix. Start by turning off the power. Unplug the unit or switch off the circuit breaker. Next, grab a flashlight and inspect for any visible blockages. Remember, safety first. Use tongs or pliers to remove debris, never your hands. If the blades are jammed, use a hex key in the bottom slot to manually rotate them. Once cleared, restore power and test the unit. To keep your garbage disposal running smoothly, avoid disposing of grease, bones, and fibrous foods. Always run cold water before and after use, and clean it with ice cubes and citrus peels for freshness. And if those pesky clogs persist or you encounter electrical issues, it might be time to call in the experts. Top Appliance Repair Burnaby is here to help with any stubborn problems. Thanks for watching and happy fixing. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your kitchen running smoothly.